Hello and welcome to CNG 132-500. Today, one of the last days of the course, so make sure you are revisiting any assignments that you have not done. Once again, look at this video here. It does show you how to look at or some pitfalls to avoid, really. Instead of just looking at assignments and looking at the grades there, make sure you go to your grade book. And that's really what that was trying to cover. This week, actually today, I'll start importing more scores that didn't come over, like the final exam score. That's a big percentage of your grade. The tests, once again, make sure that you did submit the Kaplan quiz and the Kaplan test. Get those scores boosted up because those are one ways to improve your grade. And they even changed how this looks. So your Kaplan test, that's exactly where you should put it. That's going to show me that you have a score of 70 or better. The quiz just shows me that you have access. And once again, just submit that you have access in there. Security policy, make sure you have 2 policies in there and submitted. As the end of the course goes with grades, I will stop grading tomorrow about dinner time, roughly about 5 o'clock or so. And then that gives me Wednesday to submit your grades, and then you should see those grades populate in eWolf, and make sure you go to eWolf and check it, eWolf right here, and check your posted grade within there. It should be on your transcript and directly reflect the progress grades here. That is in your grade for the course. I do make mistakes. It happened maybe like 4 or 5 semesters ago. I do make mistakes. Sometimes I get off the line, but that only happened like one time. But it did impact. I was off the line that impacted like 4 students. So if there is a mistake for your grade, do not hesitate to reach out to me and say, "Hey George, look, you got to fix this real quick," and I'll start the paperwork on my side. Pretty easy to do, and it doesn't take real long. And you'll definitely see your grade changed. So once again, your grade should be the same grade you see in this course transferred over to eWolf in that portal there. With that, you guys did excellent. Good job. The summer is definitely tough because it is a condensed program. And now it seems everyone is remote. If you do have any questions about the upcoming semester, do reach out. George.lemos@frontrange.edu. In D2L, if you did click class list and you did send me, you did click on my name and send me an email, you can get in contact with me in D2L again. Pretty easy to do. And remember that the Google Hangouts will close probably around Friday or so. So if you do have any questions, make sure to ask them in there and get that taken care of. You guys did an excellent job this semester. Once again, I just want to reiterate that summer courses are always the toughest because they are condensed. You're squeezing 15 weeks into 10 weeks, and it's kind of a lot to take on sometimes. But good job. Good job. And I'll leave you guys with that.